cage just move?
He isn't a dog exactly.
I'm a dog.
You mean you think you're a dog?
Yeah.
We'll take him.
What's your name?
Ethan, but you can call me Buddy.
Fetch!
Good boy.
We just want to give you a home.
Needed one.
This is for a while, right?
Family stick. Like a pack.
But he's never without that mask.
He was sniffing me in my sleep.
You're not leading this pack anymore.
We'll give you a safe home.
You can call us Mark and Lisa.
Names don't matter.
I won't bite.
You keep the mask on all the time?
It helps me stay me.
He gives me the creeps. He's family now.
Dogs are loyal, but I'm not.
No!
He's different.
He thinks he's a dog, Mark.
Dogs are loyal. I'm not.
Stay away from her! Bye!